Guys, I have to do a voiceover on the first part of this video for Mercy Tiara Kit Club using this absolutely stunning kit. I'm having so much fun with it already. Now, I have this photo of last fall with the most brilliantly orange and yellow tree that was in the commons area of our sub. The hubs and I went on a nice little walk, and I was looking at the photo, and there's these clear lines between the orange and yellow of the trees, right? Then we've got really crisp grass, and then the foreground being like a sidewalk kind of area. So I decided to go ahead and kind of mimic that with these papers. So I've got this really nice deep navy on the bottom, right? Do you see how that photo is showing what I was just talking about? Okay. Then we've got the grass area, and then the yellow and the orange is going to be mimicking the idea of the tree line. And I don't know, this is just this phase I've been in with just grabbing whatever I see in the photo and kind of running with it. So I'm going to map my photo really quickly on a piece of scrap white cardstock. Oh, the reason why I have a voiceover, and that's not usually my MO, it's because I have a cut file going, and it's this intricate cut file, and my Cricut is being so loud. There's no way that you are going to be able to tolerate the carrying on of the Cricut with the with all the noise and all that kind of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these papers down. I want to give them a nice little scufferoo, and then I'm going to grab the 6x8 paper pad that's in the Small But Mighty kit and just go off by layering up lots of those papers right behind my photo. Guys, I am smitten with these new Small But Mighty kits. I think that they are fantastic. And I don't know what Tracy's plan is going forward, but this 6x8 paper pad is going to stretch my kit so far. We've got a half of this paper pad, right? Which is plenty because, it's double-sided. We have so many great patterns, right? But I was able to layer and layer and layer, and I've got a smaller scale on the different patterns. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, of course, it's great for pocket scrapbooking, TNs, all that kind of thing. But I love the idea that, I'll just be able to get that much more oomph in my layouts with this fab little idea of having the Small But Mighty kit. So I'm going to keep layering up, and then I'm going to start looking at these great Pink Fresh Studio frames. Now, we get so many frames with the Pink Fresh Studio frames. It's like a frame with a frame with a frame, and then these little embellishments. So I thought I would see what would work to create a bit of a visual triangle around my photo using them, and they're going to be cluster bases for me. So on this piece by Simple Stories, there are several pieces that are super useful that I want to go ahead and fussy cut out. I'm going to use this fall word as a major part of my title. That cute little fox and the kitty cat are going to make it on there, as well as that little bit on the same 4x6 card with the birdies. I think that will be super cute to add large embellishment pieces. I'm going to use this blessings piece to read Fall Blessings. I think that would be adorable for a title. I decided to grab some more of these cute little Pink Fresh Studio frames and make cute little shakers. So I will have a frame with a frame, but the frame became shakers, and they're also going to add just a little bit of sparkle and shine to my clusters. I grabbed these wood pieces that are part of our gorgeous embellishments, and I'm going to make sure to grab or to include one on each of my clusters. Okay, guys, my Cricut is finally done yammering away. So I've got all of these pieces on, and now, guys, I know I have a lot going, but now all I have to do on this, I don't have to do anything, but all I have left to do is just some of those like little decorative bits. And we've got these great freckled fawn wood pieces. I already have some wood that is natural, so I'm just gonna keep going with that. I can put that, do you see how his tail right there is, and no, I don't know if it's a his, but we're just, I just wounded it. Guys, I wounded it. Don't do what I just did. It's okay. Anyway, you see how his tail was cut right there? It's because it was on the side of the, it was on the side of the 4x6 card, so I needed something to kind of hide that. So that works perfectly. I'll put a little sticker there. It's fine. It does not bother me at all. So we've got this piece here. Ooh, that can be part of like this leafy cluster there. And of course I can put something right there. Why not? And then, and guys, I'm just using like regular adhesive on this. So I have one there, one there. I would like to get, ooh, that's pretty, putting right there. Okay, got those pieces. So I've got lots of wood vibe. Now, I've got this gorgeous sticker sheet and I've got all of these pieces. I also have handy dandy my confetti. So I'm just gonna start layering some tings. Now these are flat, which guys, I kind of don't even have room left to layer anything, but I'm seeing if there's any little bits. Right now I'm concentrating on the little bits, like these cute little leafy stickers, considering my husband's there with this big old tree vibe. So why not layer up all of these things to have like a little leafy bouquet, and we can have that right there, and it'll kind of bring all of these pieces together. Yay! Okay, what do we have here? Love the little mousey. Guys, do you see this little mousey? This little mousey can be part of my little animal cluster right there. So he's with the fox and the kitty. Not too close to the kitty. That's not the best plan. Oh, but wait. Should we have, no, it covers too much of that. Oh, cute little raccoon. Cute. Okay, so I have little mousey there in the animal cluster. I've got my leaves there. What are we gonna do down here? I've got this little space here, and I also have this space here. Life captured, legendary. So I have some wordy bits, which is always great to do. I don't need another, I mean, we've got leaves and leaves and leaves. So I've got the leaf thing hammered home pretty nicely. I do like this floral because I love a floral, and that's bringing some of that great red from here down here. That one made me happy. Okay, let's see if there's any cute little bits. I need a tiny bit of this pink. To pink, to pink, to pink, because it's in my title. You know, not the only. Where all did I see pink? Well, there's pink in this Autumn is Calling, but that's not helping me too much. I've got pink in these florals that I've set aside to fussy cut, and I've got pink in these leafy bits. I could fussy cut out a couple of the little pink leaves because this pink here is like too much of a bluey pink. This one's a little bit more subtle. Oh, then we've got the exact perfect pinky purple bits in those. But I would have to sacrifice the overall vibe. Well, it's getting sacrificed. Okay, I'm gonna fussy cut out a couple of the florals to bring it up here because we need that same pinky tone to move around a little bit. Pop on a couple sequins, and this is gonna be donezo. Guys, I just finished this and I think it's so cute and so fun and full of fall whimsy with those cute little critters. Totally went fussy cutting away with some pieces. I've got the foam pieces. I've got wood going on. I have got confetti everywhere and I love it. And I think it's cute and sweet and perfect for my first layout using this gorgeous kit called Gather. Now guys, I also use the Small But Mighty kit, the embellishment kit. Let's see, I didn't use the cardstock add-on kit. I mean, I was actually cutting out cardstock during the entire thing, but I did not use it. So I used lots of gorgeous goodies. Love the Small But Mighty kit. It totally helped me to bring in more patterns and all that kind of stuff. I think it's just so much fun. So I'm going to have links down below where you can get your hands on these kits, Facebook group, all that kind of stuff. A few still shots. And guys, I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.